Lathe factory. I'm working on this machine adjusting. Now you will see that how not to do. I take accurate blank. I think it's accurate, but I'm not sure. I clamp it in gels through the paper, and it's a little bit offset, and I set a gouge. Yes, it looks very bad, but as you see, here is a different numbers on it, and test one was so much, and after adjusting run out is so much. So I repeat again, nobody do this like in this way. This is wrong way how to adjust lathe through. I must found my machine manual, this machine manual, and look how to do that properly, but I just need to run this very quickly, and this is the way how I can figure it out. Thanks.